Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text into round shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to write text into round shape. Go to the Insert menu. Then we can see here many options. Select the Shapes drop down menu. Then choose the round shape. Then draw the shape. Now we want to write text into this shape. Click right button on our mouse. Now we can see here many options. We select the add text option. Now we can see here show the cursor. Now we write anything on this round shape. Now I write. You can change the size or apply more color. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. You can change the font size. You can align this. You can change the color. Go back the home menu, then select the colors, then change the color. Now we can see we write text into round shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.